Hey guys, this is Mark Romke from Ninja Training TV. Today we've got some basic techniques for you that we go over in our dojo all the time when we have beginner people. So here's another good drill, other than the one we just showed where the person's just coming off at angles and learning how to block and flow against some type of an attack coming in with a frontal attack. This one is Tai Sabaki foot drills. So a lot of times, if I have extra time, I bring beginner students through these. I say, okay, start in natural stance, just standing, arms and legs kind of parallel to each other. And we just are going to fall off at different angles. So we pick the 4 regular angles. If I step forward, I'm straight. If I step backward, I can go with one leg, or I can go with the other leg, or I could jump backwards straight to get out of the way. I can also go to the sides, either way. But if I bring my hands up kind of in a ready stance, I'm learning how to get off a line of an attack so that I could think about why would I use this for an advantage or disadvantage, right? Now, those are just the cardinal angles. Never eat soggy wheat, north, east, south, west. Now we take that and we go at angles, 45. So if I step into the quadrant up front, to the left, I'm out to the side of maybe a stab coming in. Now I do the same thing up to the right, and I'm off to a side. Maybe I'll do one to the back so I can gain distance. Maybe I'm grabbing a weapon out to present that, and I want to get away from them swinging like a baseball bat or something at me, and I get out of the way. That gives me time to deploy a weapon, or maybe to think about my surroundings, what I could grab to help defend myself, like a garbage can lid or something like that. So those are another really good one for people. And I say, oh, just go home and just practice stepping off line. Mike Tyson, in one of his really cool training boxing videos when he was younger, he would tie from like a rafter, a bean bag or a ball, and he'd just swing the thing. And every time that it would swing in towards him, he would either duck and bob out of the way, or he'd move his body out of the way and maybe even try and punch that at it. And so that was another cool way for him to get some solo training time with reaction speed of stepping off line and learning how to move footwork and body work with it. Highly recommend just going through that type of natural movement. A lot of people never think about stuff like that and just do basics of movement with hands and feet and coiling, getting ready for some type of an attack afterwards after that movement. Okay, so that's another really, really basic good drill for you. All right, so hope you like this. Please hit like and subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want more notifications for this channel. And as always, keep training.